Hey everyone, I'm Misty Lynch CFP. I use my social media to teach financial literacy and help demystify financial planning. And today we're going to talk about IRAs, individual retirement accounts, and how you can use these powerful tools. First, you could start contributing to an IRA as soon as you have earned income. So if you're a teenager with a part-time job, you can get ahead. You just need a parent to help you open up the account. Now, when you can use your money without penalty in an IRA is a different story. Generally, you need to wait until you're 59 and a half to avoid a 10% penalty, but there's other exceptions like buying your first home, covering certain qualifying medical expenses, or paying for higher education where you can avoid that penalty. While IRAs are flexible, using these funds can affect your long-term saving goals like retirement. So before you dip into retirement accounts, it's always important to consider other options. If you have questions about retirement, IRAs, or financial planning in general, comment below and follow me if you're looking for more insights on how to make your money work for you.